Hey guys, what is up? I'm gonna make another video. My voice just seems like it's getting worse. I feel like you guys won't be able to hear me as much, so just bear with me. So this video is gonna be in the bathroom because we're gonna do fidget spinner. Let me do that again. Fidget spinner with the blow dryer. Unfortunately, with this one, I already did it a couple days ago without the with the bearings, but now it has bearings, so I'm wanting to see a difference. I feel like all of that I got out of that is just gonna go into the homemade one of the video that came out earlier. So I'm in the bathroom because I didn't feel like getting the hairdryer into my room and just stuff like that. So it's obviously that, and then we have this. So first up, I've never tried it with this yet. We're gonna try that with the last one. We'll do that second and first. So wait, that looked cool on the screen. Alright, wait, hold on. Alright, so I don't know how well you can see that, but it kind of looks cool because of the light and stuff. Alright, whatever, let's get into this. So it's going to get quite noisy. So just bear with me if you hear me talking. It doesn't really matter. It's just me like talking like, okay, whatever, blah, 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 blah. Whoa, what was I doing? Alright, ready for it. Well, that's getting pretty fast. Alright, so it obviously didn't spin that long. I didn't think it would get that fast, honestly. So I give it probably about 0 out of 100, probably 50 maybe. I don't know, because like it was spinning really fast, but it didn't, like, it just didn't spin that long. Let's try this one now. So, high. And by the way, I'm turning this on high, so just in case you didn't hear me, I'm turning this on high, just in case you didn't hear me the first time I said it, because this was on, and I just like, hold on, let me make sure these nuts are tight. And go to the video on my channel where I showed you guys how to make this. I might make the one, that other one I explained in it, so let's go. But I don't know when that'll be. I'll have to get another bearing to do that. Alright, that was getting really fast. Alright, that was like really fast. Like I did not expect it to get that fast. Honestly, I thought this wasn't going to be a good video. Like I didn't think they would go this fast. But they... So you should try a hairdryer on a fidget spinner. I actually want to do air compressor on a fidget spinner. So like I'll get more fidget spinners for the videos maybe. We're going to do this one now. So guys, I'll probably get more fidget spinners for the video. Like it would be cool if I could like do a giveaway. I don't know, probably not, but think about it. So let's see. Blah 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 blah. First time doing this one and just whatever. Just completely first time doing this one. So here we go. I think I spin it fast. faster than my hand, honestly. Like all the other ones, I think I spin, like, maybe just the homemade one. I think it spun faster with that. This definitely spun faster, but I can get it to go longer in my hand. This, I can get it to go faster and longer in my hand. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is 2 videos in a row in a day. I did that before, whenever I did the epic fail video. I did that before. And sorry about my voice. Like, I honestly, I can hear myself and I sound like a girl. It seems like, I don't know. But I don't really like it. But, so, I hope you enjoyed today's video. And